He's gotta be here. Ratchet! Ratchet, it's me, Raf. Ratchet?
Go away. You're interrupting my power down.
Come on, Ratchet. We need your help to find the others.
We can't stop Megatron. Not anymore. The war is over, and we lost.
You're giving up? We can't just give up.
Then tell me what we can do. Without communications, without a ground bridge, without a base of operations or resources of any kind.
B's right. We know Starscream had access to a ground bridge while he was operating solo.
Yes, he'd clearly been using the derelict Decepticon ship, the Harbinger. What does that have to do with anything?
It could be full of Cybertronian tech, and it's probably abandoned again now that Starscream's back with the cons.
Well, resources won't be of much use. Not without someone to lead us.
It's a start.
And you'll have to start without me. This is someone else's fight now.
There is no one else, Ratchet. Just us. Just the team.
Please. Just let me rust in peace.
Come on, B. Hold it right there, B. And powering up. Keep trying. We'll figure it out.
Yep. You're miscalibrating the energon transducer.
Ratchet!
Now step out of my way so I can work.